Hello and welcome, my dear Rajeshwar students. This is your friend, philosopher, and guide, your mentor, Prabhat Sharma, once again with you. And today we shall be doing the comprehension questions related to the lesson The Elephants Raid the Kitchen. कैसे हाथियों ने कैम के किचन के ऊपर हमला कर दिया. हमें सिर्फ ये 7 क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करना है. वी आर टू बी बॉदर्ड विथ ओनली दीज 7 क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. And before this, previous to this, we have got 2 MCQs which can be directly tick marked in the book itself. If you want, we can do those also. चलिए वो कर लेते हैं. मैं आपको पढ़ के सुना दूंगा वो. Okay guys, so no need to bother about it. We are going to do the question answers of the lesson first, and then we are going to do the next things. Okay guys, so we shall start once again. Take out page number 54 of your textbook, and it comprises of lessons which we have read from page 51 and 52 onwards, and it is on page number 51. First MCQ question. She stopped feeding and rumbled gently. Tusculus rumbled. यानी टस्कलस ने रंबल क्यों किया, ऐसा आवाज़ क्यों निकाली. फर्स्ट MCQ में फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है टू सिग्नल अदर एलिफेंट्स टू कम. सेकेंड, टू स्केयर ह्यूमंस अवे. थर्ड, टू शेक द बनानास लूज. एंड फोर्थ, टू शो रिलक्टेंस टू मूव आउट. तो इसका आंसर पहला चॉइस है. द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज द राइट चॉइस डियर. इट इज़ टू सिग्नल अदर एलिफेंट्स टू कम. अब सिर्फ किताब में टिक कर लीजिए, चिंता नहीं है. नो नीड टू राइट इन द नोटबुक्स, है ना. सिंपल एक टिक मार्क लगा लीजिए फर्स्ट वाले चॉइस पर, फर्स्ट वाले ऑप्शन पर, टू सिग्नल अदर एलिफेंट्स टू कम. देखिए ये अभी आपको सिर्फ समझा रहे हैं, कभी किसी लेसन का कराएंगे, कभी किसी लेसन का नहीं कराएंगे. एंड यू हैव टू डू इट योरसेल्फ. आपको खुद करना ही सीखना है. एज इट इज़ अ प्रोवर्ब, इफ यू गिव अ मैन अ फिश ही विल ईट फॉर अ डे. If you teach a man to catch fish, he will eat for his life. आपको हिंदी में मतलब समझाते हैं हम. अगर किसी व्यक्ति को एक मछली दे दी जाए तो एक दिन उसका पेट भर जाएगा, एक दिन पेट भर के खाना खा सकता है. लेकिन अगर ऐसा मछली पकड़ना सिखा देंगे तो जीवन भर अपना खाना खाने की उसको टेंशन नहीं रहेगी. So although this is a Chinese proverb, but it has a lot of deep meaning in it. तो हम चाहेंगे कि आप आंसर्स खुद लिखना सीखें. एट टाइम्स शायद हम बीच बीच में कुछ लेसन्स के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स डिस्कस ऐसे करें लेंगे जैसे अभी कर रहे हैं, पर ज़्यादातर का क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हम डिस्कस भी नहीं करेंगे आपके साथ. ओके, एंड यू हैव टू डू इट योरसेल्फ. आपको खुद करना है, बिकॉज डूइंग इज लर्निंग. आप खुद करेंगे तो ही आप सीखेंगे. चलिए, गलती होती है चिंता मत करिए. जैसे ही स्कूल शुरू होगा हम वापस से ये सारे लेसन आपको पढ़ाएंगे. ठीक है, भले ही कोर्स कम करके कराएंगे पर सारे लेसन्स कराएंगे. वापस से सारे नोट्स लिखाएंगे, सब नोट्स चेक करेंगे, तभी आपका टेस्ट लेंगे, एग्ज़ाम लेंगे, तभी अगले क्लास में प्रमोट करेंगे. आप बिल्कुल चिंता नहीं करिए, हम आपके भले के लिए जितना कर सकते हैं हम करेंगे. चल, forget it. That's another point. We move on to the next question. Each elephant grabbed a last trunkful and started backing or turning away, reluctantly abandoning the bouquet. The elephants left reluctantly before. यानी वो क्यों नहीं जाना चाह रहे थे. First, they were scared of the sound of the engine. Second, they wanted to look for more food in the collapsed kitchen. Third, there was no food in the forest. And the fourth, they had their fill and it was difficult to move. So the correct answer is option B. They wanted to look for more food in the collapsed kitchen. Okay. अभी हम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. पहला क्वेश्चन हम देखते हैं. Who was Tusculus and how was she drawn to the camp? Tusculus कौन थी और वो कैंप की तरफ कैसे आ गई भाई? तो हम आपको अभी एक्सपांड करके बता रहे हैं. Tusculus was a female elephant, a part of the herd that lived close to where the author and her friends were camping. She was drawn to the camp because of the smell of the food items, especially bananas, since she was very fond of them. She was very fond of bananas. So how did Tusculus develop the taste for bananas? उसको bananas के प्रति इतना प्रेम क्यों था, इतना proximity क्यों थी, उसको इतना bananas पसंद क्यों थे? So the answer to question number B, how had Tusculus developed a taste for bananas? And the hints for the answers are, answer B is, one day at the lodge feeding place, Tusculus was given a whole stalk of overripe, almost fermented bananas. She ate them with great relish. From that day on, she developed a taste for bananas and particularly sought them out. तो उसको बनानास का टेस्ट क्यों डेवलप हो गया था, ये हमने सेकंड नंबर के क्वेश्चन में देखा है. सी, हाउ डिड द एलिफेंट्स एंटर द किचन? एलिफेंट्स किचन में कैसे एंटर हो गए भाई? किचन में कैसे कैसे एंटर हो गए, ये तो बड़ा सीन है. लेट अस सी. Tusculus wrapped her trunk around the mainsail pole of the tent and wrenched it away. The elder elephants moved forward and also started pulling on other poles and the wire. The Tusculus quickly made a sizable hole in one wall of the kitchen. Then she became impatient and leaned her head against the wall and pushed. The building swayed before collapsing sideways. This is how the elephants entered the kitchen. Question number 4. Getting food out of the tent was not easy for Tusculus. Explain. I shall repeat. Getting food out of the tent was not easy for Tusculus, and we have to explain this. Means question number D. So I shall read out question number 4 once again. Getting food out of the tent was not easy for Tusculus, and we have to explain that. And the answer hints are, getting food out of the tent was not easy for Tusculus. She had to break through the kitchen walls and turn out trunks. At one point, she even became impatient, even though to lean on a wall, causing the kitchen to collapse. Even after all the fresh food was gone, she had to knock down and smash the cupboard to get to the rest of the food, but she was undeterred. This is how it goes on. Question number E, in the पांचवा प्रश्न. What was near Castasi for the raiders? Once again, sorry. So the answer to question number E is, all the food that the elephants gobbled up, the fruits which could be placed whole in the mouth and crushed in the other items, was a feast for the elephants. It was near scarcity for them. to find such a store of food in one place. उनकी तो लॉटरी निकल गई इतना सारा खाना एक साथ देखकर. Question number F. What did the narrator first do on her arrival at the camp? I shall repeat. What did the narrator first do on her arrival at the camp? This is your friend, philosopher, and guide, your mentor, Prabhat Sharma, once again with you. So, guys, we move on to the last question. Why did the narrator blame himself for the mess? And let us see the answer for it. So, answer the question G. Why did the narrator blame herself for the mess? The narrator blamed herself because she felt she should have known better and taken the necessary steps to pull all the food items safely out of the herd's reach, especially since her camp had been raided before. So, my dear students, today we have seen an extract from the book Elephant Memories, 13 Years in the Life of an Elephant Family by Cynthia J. Moss. In this book, she chronicles the life of several families of elephants. Okay, this is how the reading goes on of this one. And in this particular lesson, we see how the elephants, they raid the kitchen of the camp and they eat away and they loot all the eatables, fruits, vegetables and other delicacies from the kitchen of the tent. And in the last phase, what we see when the author, the writer of the story, when she comes in her Land Rover in a vehicle at night after having the dinner with her friend's place, how does the elephants run away from the place? Okay, but they keep on raiding the other tents, the other camps, and enjoy the lovely food over there. So this is the end of this lesson, which we have seen, written by Cynthia J. Moss. And in the book, she chronicles the lives of several families of elephant. And in particular, we read about an eventful evening at Cynthia's camp herself. What all things have taken place at the camp of her own place. Okay, so this is the end of the story, section 2 of unit 2 of our course, Nurturing Nature. The name of the lesson, Elephants Raid the Kitchen, written by Cynthia Moss. The more we shall see afterwards. Thank you, good night, take care, and goodbye, my dear friends. May God bless you all.